Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is villi, tiny finger-like projections lining the small intestine. By the end of this video, you'll know their structure, their function, and why the small intestine is one of the best adapted surfaces in the human body. Villi are finger-like projections lining the small intestine that vastly increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Each villus is one cell thick on the outside, providing a short diffusion path. It contains a network of capillaries and a lacteal, a lymphatic vessel, to carry the absorbed nutrients away. Three things. 1. Villi increase surface area. Microvilli on each villus cell increases it even further. 2. The one cell thick wall gives a short diffusion path. 3. The rich capillary network removes absorbed nutrients quickly, maintaining a steep concentration gradient between gut and blood, which keeps absorption fast. Common slip. Villi don't digest food. Digestion happens before the food reaches them. Villi absorb the products of digestion, glucose, amino acids, fatty acids. Many of those absorptions use active transport, not just diffusion, needing ATP from the mitochondria packed into the villus cells. Quick example, without villi, the small intestine wall would have a surface area of around half a square meter. With villi and microvilli, the same length of gut provides around 250 square meters, the size of a doubles tennis court. That's how a tube 1 centimeter wide absorbs your entire breakfast. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.